Starting off very well in terms of weather. This evening, I'm going to be a bit optimistic and say some dry skies for first pitch. However, we are tracking a cold front after dinner time that will be as far east as Lawrence or the Kansas City metro area by game time at 7 o'clock. First pitch, 71 degrees, mostly cloudy skies with a chance for some light to moderate rain. Keep that in mind if you're going to the game. Grab the poncho just in case, but relatively dry weather. It could be worse. However, the rain chances tonight are not zero. Our KSNT News Storm Track satellite and radar picture this morning. Still tracking some light to moderate rain falling across our neck of the woods north of the highway. Elsewhere, areas of light rain and drizzle, but some drier skies to the west. That's moving in. A lot of rain free time today before we track that cold front after dinner. Your bus stop forecast this morning. Grab the umbrellas just in case. Some scattered light rain, 64 degrees. We'll take a look at your 7-day forecast complete with some sunshine a week before Halloween. You might like Saturday and Sunday in a few minutes.